Hello, this is the English we speak. With me, Feifei, and joining me is Rob. Hello, Rob.
Hello. Now, I was thinking, you always start the programme. It's never me.
That's right. I have always started the programme. That's the way I like it.
Really? And you always introduce the examples.
I do, Rob. It's just the way I like to do it, and I know what's best.
You mean you do you?
I do me?
No, you do you. It means you do your own thing. You know your own mind, and you probably won't change.
You do you. Yes. Thanks for clearing that up, Rob. I guess you're right.
Thanks. But can I introduce the examples today, please?
No.
Look, we can't agree on this. You do you, and we'll talk about this again later. I told my girlfriend to do more exercise, but she wouldn't listen, so I told her, you do you, I'm off for a run. I like the way you do you. You stick to what you think is right and are not influenced by other people's comments.
This is the English we speak from BBC Learner English, and we're talking about the expression you do you, which can be said to someone to mean they always behave in the same way and they won't change. Of course, Rob, I couldn't do things your way.
Oh, why?
You're always late, so it's best if I start the programme. And there's another reason why I always do me. I'm always right.
Oh, in that case, maybe I can do you too.
It's okay, Rob. It's best if you do you and I'll do me.
Who, me? Oh, this is very confusing.
I'll tell you what you can do. You can finish the programme because I've got to go. Bye.
Right, that's all for this, the English we speak. Bye. Feifei, where have you gone?